So we have a new AI tool in the market that can create you amazing lip sync videos like these. Hey guys, this is the sample track to test out the lip.
Amid the ruins of a forgotten civilization, a rogue archaeologist discovers a map.
So yeah, I'm talking about Hedra.com, which is a very new AI lip sync tool in the market that can turn your images into talking images. And you know the best part, it is absolutely free, and the process of creating videos in that is really simple. So yeah, this is Usman from Skill Curve, and let's just jump right into the video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Hedra.com, and you guys can see we have a very cool looking website right over here where it says video for everyone, imagine worlds, characters, and stories with complete creative control. So this tool right over here can create you amazing realistic lip sync videos for your images, for your audios, and it can basically make your image like a talking image, which is really cool. So yeah, over here we have a video in which you can see we have some of the talking characters which Hedra.com is showcasing. And then as it is a very new tool, very new website, so it will have some upcoming features. For that you need to join the waitlist and stay updated which Hedra.com says. All right, so yeah, if you want to go ahead and try out the amazing realistic lip sync feature of Hedra.com, you need to click on try beta. Then it will ask you to sign in with Google. You need to go ahead and sign it very quickly. Alright, so after when you are done, so this is just the interface for Hedra.com. It's very minimalistic, it's very sleek. We just have three boxes. So first of all, we have the box of audio. So you say either you can generate audio or you can import your audio file, and you can basically go ahead and write your script. And you can go ahead and select your voice, and it will basically read that audio for you very accurately, okay? And then we have the character box in which you can go ahead and drag and drop your character image, or you can go ahead and use AI to create images. And the results of that is really good. So it can be used for a very good AI text-to-image generation tool as well. Then at the end, we have the video box where your output video is gonna be generated in the end, okay? So yeah, now first of all, let's just go ahead and test out this tool. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and write any line or any dialogue. So for that, I'm going to use ChatGPT, of course, because this is our go-to tool. So over here, I simply type in a prompt, give me some good movie type unique lines. So it basically provided me dialogues or line for literally every category that I could be interested for, okay? So let's just go ahead and take this line of romance and drama. So I'm going to take sometimes the greatest love stories are the ones we never see coming, okay? So I'm going to copy this, paste in my Hedra.com, and then you can go ahead and select your voice. So we have like 7 to 8 options of voices right over here. So yeah, I think for this line, a female voice will work good. So we have American female calm voice. Let's just go ahead and listen to that first of all.
Never mistake motion for act.
Let's just choose some other one. I think Charlotte. Okay, let's choose.
Government of by the people shall not perish.
All right, I think the Charlotte one looks really good. Then you can go ahead and drag and drop your image. So for the first example, I'm going to create my image with Hedra.com. So I'm going to type in my simple prompt. So we're going to depict, a picture of a girl. So we're going to make a girl talk. So let's just type over here my simple prompt that a beautiful female with a good smile. All right, so you have to be just as simple as it gets. And we can go ahead and write our keywords over here, such as I'm going to write realistic because I want my realistic image. So let's just click on create. All right, and if you want, you can also go ahead and play around with your settings as well for text to image. So you can input your negative prompt. You can go ahead and use your manual seed. You can either randomize your prompt or you can randomize the seed, okay? Okay, so I basically changed my prompt to a beautiful young female wearing a fancy dress, depending on the dialogue I inputted. All right, so our audio is done with the script, our image is done. So now let's just go ahead and simply click on generate video. So this is as simple as it is. You just need to go ahead and input your audio, then select your image, and boom, your video is done, right? So our job is queued. Let's just go ahead and wait for that to be completed. All right, here you go, guys. Take a look at our final output, you guys.
Sometimes the greatest love stories are the ones we never see coming.
Like, take a look at this video once again, you guys.
The greatest love stories are the ones...
This looks absolutely perfect. Like, take a look at the lip movement, the face gestures, the head movement. Everything is absolutely perfect, and it basically takes pauses that are required exactly where we want, right? So this is how good the Hedra AI is. Like, take a look at the pauses, the lip movement, the head movement. Only we have a little bit of a deformation, but you can go ahead and solve that by generating again and again. But other than that, the accuracy of the lip sync of this tool is absolutely fantastic, right, you guys? Now let's just go ahead and try one more example. So this time I'm going to be importing my audio instead of creating one. So I'm going to be selecting this sample audio that I basically recorded a few days ago. So which is this. Hey guys, this is the sample track. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and select my character. This time I'm not going to be creating one. Instead, I'm going to be uploading one of my character, which is, let's just say this young boy right over here. And then after that, simple is that I'm going to click on generate video. That's it, you guys. And now take a look at the result, you guys. Hey guys, this is the sample track to test out the lip sync feature in the Morph Studio app. Like, wow, take a look at this video. Check out the eyebrow movement, the eyes movement, the pauses this guy is taking. Everything is top notch, right? Like, this is exactly the type of lip sync of videos we wanted. But there was a lot of deformation in the tools that are already there in the market. But yeah, this Hedra AI, this is basically the future. We got the exact lip sync of our images without compromising the quality of the image or the quality of our audio, right? So this is absolutely perfect. Now you guys might be wondering, like, what if we go ahead and make our celebrity images talk? Like, what if we go ahead and lip sync our celebrity images like Leonardo DiCaprio, Will Smith? So whether we can do that in this tool or not. So for that, I have basically bad news for you guys. So let's just say if I go ahead and upload any image of a celebrity right over here. So let's just say I take this image of Will Smith right over here, and I take my same audio and click on generate video. So straight away is going to give me a warning. It's going to say content does not meet guidelines, failed image safety checks. So they have basically some kind of limitation, some kind of safety checks, because they don't allow you to upload images of celebrity. All right. So they want to make it a bit confidential. So that's why for now, you cannot go ahead and upload images of celebrities, but you can always go ahead and upload random images or create one with Hedra.com, which is basically a very good other source too, right? So now let's just go ahead and take another example. So this time I'm going to be taking, some big lines, some big dialogue. So it will be around like 150 words. And you guys can see Hedra AI basically offers 300 words you can write over here. So I'm going to take like adventure, like action adventure line, amid the ruins of forgotten civilization. And this line looks good. Okay, I'm going to copy it, come to Hedra.com, paste it right over here. And for the character, this time I'm going to go ahead and create one. So I'm going to type in my prompt that pirate captain with a tricone hat and cutlass. All right. Let's just go ahead and create this. And first of all, see our image. All right, this looks good, you guys. And obviously, for our line or dialogue, we also have to choose a voice, right? So yeah, I'm going to be choosing some intense, male voice. So let's just go ahead and first of all, listen to Brian.
And my younger and more vulnerable is my father.
Okay, this looks good. Let's explore some more options. I think we're good with Brian, but let's just go ahead and explore some more. Okay, let's do Todd.
The greatest gospel concert the world has...
No, not good for a pirate one. Listen to Dr. Von Fusion.
So important to know every...
Oh no, Ryan.
If one is lucky,
Okay, I think Ryan is perfect for our pirate character right over here, okay? Now let's just go ahead and generate this video, okay, you guys? All right, take a look at this video, you guys.
amid the ruins of a forgotten civilization, a rogue archaeologist discovers a map leading to a legendary treasure. But she's not the only one searching. Pursued by mercenaries and racing against time, she must decode ancient riddles and navigate deadly traps to unlock a secret that could change the...
Like, this is absolutely perfect, you guys, right? Like, I'm pretty much amazed how it managed to get all those pauses very, very accurately. And in that pauses, we have, some eye moments, some neck moments, some head gestures, and all that are merged really, really accurately. And we don't see any much quality loss in the videos as well. So yeah, Hedra.com, no doubt, is a perfect tool for lip syncing, hands down. I basically can go ahead and recognize pauses, gestures in the videos very, very accurately, right, you guys? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration of a very new tool, Hedra.com. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.